On this journey, we're going to go back to a forgotten time and a unique feature in North Carolina that few know anything about and even fewer have seen. Come along with me as we go roaming the mountains together. Just off the Highlands and Casters Plateau is what is known as the Blue Ridge Escarpment. This is where the mountains plunge to the Piedmont or foothills. It is this region that gives us so many waterfalls and features that make western North Carolina a real treasure of natural vistas and wonders. If you enjoy learning about these remarkable places, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will alert you when future videos are released. It also lets YouTube know that you enjoy this type of content. Now, back to this hidden treasure, North Carolina's only known natural bridge. This feature is located just below Highlands, North Carolina, in the Scaly Mountain area. Although not nearly as big as the Natural Bridge in Virginia, and nothing like the Arches National Park in Utah, this is still an amazing feature to see. You can walk over, under, and around this feature and enjoy its natural beauty and wonder. As you go across the top of the structure, you'll notice some holes that were drilled along the edge and the top of the rock. I've been told there were once rails installed along this upper side. The purpose was to tie cars like Model Ts from back in the day and horse-drawn carts to assist them from not sliding off the side of the rock during inclement weather. You can still easily see where the old road comes into the bridge, but I'm a little unsure as to where the road went exactly beyond this point. If you have information or know more about this natural wonder, I'd love to hear your comments below. This feature is certainly worth your time to go see, especially if you live in the Highlands Casters area. While I cannot disclose its location in this video, I can give you contact information to request permission to visit this special feature. All you have to do is subscribe by clicking the little button in the lower right corner of your screen and leave your request in the comment below. I reply to all my comments and I will gladly give you the information you need so you too can enjoy this unique feature. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure and special wonder. As many of you already know, this is only a taste of what you will find here on Roaming the Mountains. I hope to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you again as we go roaming the mountains together.